black pepper, lemon, chicken casserole, or black pepper, lemon, chicken fry casserole, or black pepper, lemon, chicken stir fry. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the stir fry recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the food recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the lemon recipes. We're going to make black pepper, lemon, chicken stir fry. We've taken around 400 grams of chicken pieces, cleaned and cut with turmeric powder. These are chicken breasts. The ingredients are 15 grams of ginger, around 25 to 30 shallots, 2 to 3 red chillies, 1 tomato cut in pieces, 15 grams of garlic, and a half of a lemon. The pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallots. Sauce. Saute heavily. Keep on sauteing. Put in the garlic. Saute heavily. Thoroughly saute and mix. ginger, salt, ginger, thoroughly salt mix. Put in the chicken piece. Put in salt paste. Thoroughly mix. Squeeze in half of a lemon. Mixing the lemon piece and lemon juice with the rest of the mixture. Put in the red chili pieces. Mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Mix thoroughly. And let it cook for 1 minute. A quarter spoon of coriander powder. Put in 1 spoon of black pepper powder. thoroughly saute mix. And let it cook. Put in curry leaves, mix, and let the mixture cook in the casserole or kadai for 30 minutes. Close and cook. Now the black pepper, lemon, chicken stir fry or black pepper, lemon, chicken casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper, lemon, chicken stir fry or black pepper, lemon, chicken fried casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken recipes and one of the most delicious of the lemon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chicken casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.